So let's deal with this, how to change from decimal degrees to degrees, minutes, seconds, and backwards. So what do we have to remember? In here, take note that 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes, which is also equal to 3,600 seconds. And 1 minute is 60 seconds. The degrees, minutes, and seconds is represented by this button, or sometimes it can be DMS. So I want you to please press 123.456, and then you may press equal sign. After pressing equal sign, press this symbol. Or if you want, you can press 123.456, press the degree, and then equal sign. And then press it again. It should give you the degrees, minutes, seconds. So this one is read as 123 degrees, 27 minutes, and 21.6 seconds. So let's try converting. So how do we manually convert? If, for example, you don't have that button in the calculator, how do we manually convert? You know that this one, the whole number is 12. So 12 degrees already. You have 0.255 degrees. We want to change that to minutes and seconds. If you want to cancel out the degrees, you place the degrees at the bottom. For every 1 degree, there are 60 minutes. So here you get 15.3 minutes. The thing is, only the 15 is the whole number. So you want to make that like that. And then the decimal minute, you can still make that into seconds. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So I believe this is 18.3 times 6 is 18. Therefore, this is... Now, I want you to please press this in your calculator. 12.255 degrees, and then press equal sign. And then press the degrees, minutes, second button. Does it give you this one? All right. Now, let's skip to number 3 first. How do you input now from degrees, minutes, and seconds to make it the decimal degrees? I want you to please check your calculators. Can you please press 36 and then press the degree? And then press 24, press degree again. And then press equal sign. What does it give you? It gives you like that, 36 degrees, 24 minutes, and 0 seconds. Press the DMS button again. 36.4 degrees. So it's like that. You just keep on pressing the DMS to change from DMS, degrees, minutes, seconds, or decimal degrees. All right. But how do we do this manually? So you know that the 36 is the whole number. So what I do is 24 minutes. I want to change that to degrees. So I'll put the 60 minutes here, 1 degree on top. 24 divided by 60 is 0.4. So the 36 is the whole number. 0.4 of a degree is the decimal. All right. Let's do this. This one, you know that the whole number is 78. So 0.121 for every 1 degree, that's 60 minutes. 7.26 minutes. So there's still the 0.26. For every 1 minute, there 60 seconds. Can you do this? 0.26 times 60 is what? 15.6 seconds. So there's no more. That means that would be the last 15.6 seconds. So I'll just underline the final answers. Number 4, don't forget to press the negative sign. Can you please press this in your calculators? Negative 15, press the degrees. 20, press the degree button again. And then 30, press the degree button again. And then press equal sign. And then press the degree button. to give me the decimal. What is this? Using your calculators, negative 15.34166 degrees. So now also I need you to find some angles. For example, if I say 30 plus 2.5 of a counterclockwise rotation, take note, if I say clockwise rotation, this is negative. If it's counterclockwise rotation, this is positive. So 30 degrees plus 2.5 of a counterclockwise rotation. So 2.5 times 360 plus 30 is 930 degrees. Very good. What about number 2? 45 and 1/2 clockwise rotation. So, 1/2, 1.5 of a clockwise rotation. So that's negative 360. So 45. Did you get negative 495? Very good. Now, this one is in terms of pi radians. So let's just keep it as is. 4/3 pi counterclockwise. So that should be positive 2.5 of 2 pi. So 5. So is it 19 pi over 3? All right. Lastly, negative 150. 4/3 counterclockwise rotation. So plus 4/3 of a counterclockwise. So 360 positive. So negative 150 plus 480. Is it 330? All right. So I hope you understand how to find the angle